Hi guys, today we're going to look at day 1 of your 2nd grade remote learning and week 1 packet. We're going to look at, you need to read every day for 20 minutes. Reading and writing. We're going to look at prefixes. A prefix is a combination of letters that are added to the beginning of a word that changes the meaning of the original word. So they want you to brainstorm words with the prefix re. The prefix re means to do again or repeat. So their examples are redo, rewrite, replay, rework, rebuild. So let's look at the word redo. If you look at the base word do, if you do something, that's you actually acting it out. But if you redo it, you're going to do it again. You're going to do the activity again. So the word do changes because of the prefix re. That means you're going to do it again. So after you come up with some more words that have the prefix re in it, you're going to have a conversation using these words in context. And what that means is you're going to take these words like redo and put them in a sentence. So my sentence would be, I need to redo this work because it's messy. So you're actually going to have to do the work again because it was messy. All right, let's look at math for day 1. We're working on place value. We're working with numbers up to 1,000. Say a number between 1 and 1,000 and have your child count 10 more, 10 less. So if you said 145, your child's answer is 135 and 155. So that's 10 less and then 10 more. So another example would be if I did 255, 10 less, that means subtraction. The only thing that would change is my tens place. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. And my 2 stays the same. So that's 10 less than 255. And 10 more, if I'm doing more, I'd want to add. So again, the only thing that's changing is the tens place. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 2 plus nothing is, of course, 2. So 10 more than 255 is 265. 10 less than 255 is 245. All right, let's look at today's science. So this week you're going to work with matter, properties, and change. And if you remember, we did this with the little science experiment that you did. So matter can come in solids, liquids, and gases. Solid shape never changes. So we might have an apple, and that doesn't change the shape unless you bite it. We have like a glass of water. A liquid takes the form of whatever container you have it in. So if you had the water in a gallon size jug, it would change to fit the jug. If you have the water in a little cup, it would change to fit the cup. And then we have a gas. When you think about gases, you need to think about oxygen or helium that fills up a balloon. You can't see the gas, but it's there and it takes up whatever form you have it in. So if you had a helium in a balloon, of course the helium is going to stay inside the balloon. But if you were to bust the balloon, the helium would come out and just fill in the space of the room that it's in. So you're going to have to do a little experiment. You're going to put an ice cube and some water in 2 separate bowls. You're going to think about the similarities and differences that you observe. Do you notice that one is a liquid and one is a solid? So think about which one is a liquid, which one is filling the cup or a bowl, and which one is a solid, which one is kind of staying the same. So you're going to write 2 to 3 sentences that describe what you are observing. Is it cold? Is it wet? What's happening to the ice? You're also going to put a mark on the bowls to show where the water level is. You're going to draw a picture to record your observations. So you're going to draw a picture of what you did. Now you can draw this picture in your notebook that I gave you in your packet. It's a brand new notebook. And if you would please label the days in the notebook, that would be great. So like the date should be 4/14/20 and it should be day 1. Next thing you're going to do is just get to moving. Thank you for listening. I miss you.